there was a mistake. I added satin lined, but my beanie is handmade wool blend. And due to this word, 2 to 3, like 2/3 beanies got returned and got a badge of it. If you got the frequently returned badge, what to do next? So we did handle brands that got this badge, and unfortunately this is one of the worst situations, because whenever that badge shows up, people might not consider buying the product. So in this case, first off, you would adjust that mistake, right? So if you're saying that it was added a mistake, you are going to make sure that the mistake, first off, from the SEO part, so the listing, whenever someone sees the listing, and either the words, like keywords, either the visuals, you're going to make sure that is removed. Now, the second thing, when you have this badge, the idea is that you have to sell more units. Either what we consider here, either adding coupons to the listing. That is something that worked well for one of the brands that we managed. For the second brand, that they also had this issue. To be honest, it did not came back the listing just because it had that badge, and even if you were selling and you were advertising, nothing really happened. So here, what I'd be doing if I was you, I would see, all right, if that is one product, can you at least bundle it with other items that are variations of the item that are different colors? Because one brand where this paid off well, it was that we managed to, they have 3 different colors, black, green, and white. So what we did, we made sure that all 3 were in one listing, and in case that someone landed, say the black product had the frequently returned item badge, we were advertising the green product. So whenever someone came to our listing, they already saw the green item, and if they wanted to, buy the black, they could have. So this was a redirecting strategy of making sure that you're still going to run ads without running ads on a product that has this badge. But definitely here it's going to be a volume issue. You would have to sell more units than returned.